Welcome back once again. Now, in our last video, we learned about the resources that we are going to use. We went through some of the platform to check the prices of the resources that we are going to use. In fact, it was quite expensive if you are in Africa, especially Ghana, because changing that amount to Ghana cedis is a huge amount of money here. It's not that small that any beginner can pay for. But let's see how we can do this training. Okay, let's see how we can learn this, and I'm going to walk you through how you can get these plugins, and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's go to if you're watching this video on YouTube, I would advise you to go to let me open this in a private window. Go to Radar course community. It's below this video. Just go to Radar course community, because before you can get access to the resources that we are going to use for this training, you need to join this platform. That is where you'll be able to download the resources. If you don't have an account here, then you can create an account. You can click here to create an account. Okay, yes, and then join the platform. So right now I've already logged in as a user on this platform. We have so many features here: shop, post, courses, and others. Okay, good. And we have the sidebar, and I can expand it and look at what I have here. I can close that. Okay, good. Now we need resources, and we can get that from the shop page. So over shop page here, we have a product here that we need. The Tutor LMS Pro is here, and then the Body Balls So Pro is here. But you know something? We are selling it. It's not like we are selling it. Okay, we are not selling it. As a member of this platform, you'll be given a points. Let me go to the front end and let me show you. As you can see, we have a leaderboard here, and these figures in front of it are the coins or the points. I call it Radar points. Okay, so all the members will be will be getting points. Okay, for participating on this platform, sending messages, commenting, logging in every day, visiting the page, chatting, all the things that we'll be doing here. You'll be getting points, and with that points, if you have enough points, you can use it to buy anything on this platform for free. But in case you don't have time to do all these just to get points to buy those things, then you can pay with money. Okay, you can pay. That is, you can pay for that. Okay, because with the points, you don't have to pay for that. For instance, I want to post something. I can just locate a picture, get a picture from my laptop or my computer. I'll go here, and let's see, I will look through it. Okay, this is a website I designed. This is just a camera. Okay, it's a product. With this product, I made a website for my clients, and it's about security cameras. And as you can see, this is like a watch, but it's not a watch. Okay, it's when someone comes to your room, he will see that you have a watch, an analog watch on your table, but it's a camera which will be recording everything or whatever is going on in your room or something of that sort. Okay, so let's say after posting this, I've posted this here. When I refresh the page, let's see. Good, you see I've been awarded a point. That is 5 Radar points. Okay, good, for posting. Whatever you do here, you'll be getting points for that. Okay, and what else can I do? I can comment this. Okay, so welcome, bro. So yes, I can just add this. I can add something like someone laughing and post it. Okay, so as you can see, when I refresh the page, then I will get a notification. Okay, so I've been awarded 1 point. So all the activities, commenting, liking, let me see if I will get points for. Okay, so let me refresh the page and see. You see, I've been awarded a point again. Okay, so through that, you'll be able to get enough points here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use these points. You see, I have about 9 billion something. Okay, the figure is 9,999 999,405. Wow, this is a very long figure. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use. So I'm going to show you how you can use these points to buy product. So let's go to shop. Now I want to download the two of them because that's what we need for this training. So I'll first select body balls. Okay, good. And I will click add to carts. Okay, good. And it has been added. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so I can just go ahead and click view the carts. Okay, good. So I'm here. Okay, I'm on my profile page and the product is here. Okay, good. So I can just come here, and over here, as you can see, we have order total in points. So I'll be paying. You can decide to pay 100 Ghana cedis for this plugin, okay, or you can pay with points. Okay, good. So you can pay 100 Ghana cedis. You can just pay with points. Okay, so that's it. So it's either you use 1,000 points to pay for this plugin, or you pay 100 Ghana cedis. You have two options. Let me click checkout. Okay, so I'm still here, and over here you have to fill the details, your details here, very, very important. So over here you have option to pay with e-reader points, or pay with debit card or credit card or mobile money. If you're in Ghana, you can pay with mobile money. Okay, I want to pay with points because in fact I have enough point to spend. Okay, that is billion. Okay, so then I will select points. Point has been selected already, and it says pay with e-reader points. So I will just click place order. Okay, good. And you see 1,000 has been deducted for my balance, and I have paid for this order confirmation. Everything is here. The plugin is here. I can go ahead and download. If some reason you were not able to download it from here, you can always do that. Come to your profile, view profile, then you go to shop. Okay, so you go down here, then you see downloads. Okay, so under downloads here, you can download the plugin. Okay, I was testing it, and I bought this earlier, but I've done it again, no problem. So I can just click here to download the product, you see, and now it's loading. So I can just come here and click on that and download the product. Okay, the same way that you can go through to download the tutor LMS, because we need to, let me go back. Okay, so we need two plugins. Let me go to the shop page. We need two plugins. We need body balls and then tutor LMS. So you can go through that process again. So if you don't have enough points, is to pay money, or you can be active here, get enough points to buy any, because from that is all the costs that I'll be posting on this platform. The resources, if it is a premium resources, you'll be paying with points. So far so good. Thank you for watching. Our next video we will look at how to install the plugins. Bye bye.